How to set up account alerts in Regions Bank Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to stay updated on your Regions Bank account activity, well, let's set up alerts online. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in with your credentials and once logged in on your main dashboard, you can go to the top menu and just click on customer service. And after that, on the next page from the option, you can select alerts and notification. And there you will see different alerts categories like balance updates, deposit confirmations, and security alerts. So there choose the one you want and set how you'd like to receive them, like through email, text, messages, or both. So there double check your contact details to make sure notification go to the right phone or email. And after that, you can save to confirm and your alerts will start working right away. And that's it. That's how you can set up account alerts in Regions Bank Online Banking. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.